In July 2026, the first batch of Skyworth 12-meter electric city buses departed for Romania, marking an important milestone in Skyworth Auto's global expansion journey. The story began 1 year earlier. In 2025, this electric city bus made its European debut at Busworld Europe in Belgium, attracting wide attention from global operators and industry professionals. Behind every successful delivery is strong manufacturing capability, from body welding and painting to final assembly and comprehensive testing. Each vehicle is produced through rigorous processes and strict quality control. Designed for modern urban mobility, the bus delivers long-range performance, passenger comfort, and efficient operation. From China to Europe, this delivery demonstrates Skyworth Auto's commitment to global markets. Through continuous innovation, Skyworth Auto is bringing smarter and greener transportation solutions to cities around the world,